Hey YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, this is what I'm doing like underneath my wigs, and usually I do my own cornrows myself, and this is the back. And it doesn't have to be perfect. This time it wasn't as perfect as I did before. Excuse that, but you know I just do my cornrows regular. It's like the basic stuff. Now you just need I just learned this new technique from another YouTuber. I used to do the straight back cornrows, but not anymore because it took too much time. Now I learned that you know I use the cornrow, and then I do the back first, like two cornrows at the back, and then for the front I don't even have to have a mirror to do it, so it becomes much more easier, and I like this way so much better. So yeah, this video is about that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye. forgot to say that my hair was pretty stretched before I did my cornrow. That's why it looks like that. Sometimes, like majority of the time, I do it straight when I wash my hair. But now, this time I just waited a couple days before cornrowing my hair. So yeah, that's it, the finished result. Thank you so much for guys for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. Bye and stay safe.